Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got from yesstyle. I actually ordered these like over a month ago, but I was waiting for this one item to come, but it just like was taking forever, so I canceled it. And then I got the items, and I'm kind of sad of the quality for most of these items. Yeah, so this is kind of upsetting because I really love yesstyle. I've done like a bunch of hauls from them so many times, but this is actually the first time that I actually was like unhappy with stuff that I got. But before I show you guys the bad ones, I'll show you guys the ones I actually like. So let's get started. So the first thing is actually this headband that I'm wearing. It is super cute. It's a silk or satin headband that is very, very nice and pretty. I've been wanting this kind of headband for a while, and when I saw this on yesstyle, I just decided to get it because it's so cute and it's very easy to style. Really, my hair is really messy, but I look put together in some way because of this headband. I am very pleased with how this looks on me. I'm very impressed by the quality of this one. Next item is actually makeup. Like, I've never bought makeup from yesstyle really. I got the Peri Para Ink Airy Stick in the shade number 5 Burnt Tangerine. This color is really pretty. I'm actually wearing it right now. It is super nice. It's a velvet lip tint or lipstick, so I don't know how to exactly feel about this yet because I've just started using it, but so far I like the color. It's just that sometimes when you look very closely to your lips, it kind of makes my lips tap. And I don't know if it's because of this brand or my lips are just naturally chapped. Probably after a few times, I'll decide if I like this or not, and I'll see if I would replace this with my Innisfree one because I actually really like my Innisfree one, so yeah. Moving on to more accessories, I have this belt. I believe it's called a D-ring belt because of this guy. Looks like a D. It's just like those adjustable ones. I've been eyeing a belt like this for quite a while. I have this like oversized shirt that I'm wearing right now. It kind of makes me look bulky, so I've been thinking of ways to style this and other like, I guess like straight cut clothing that I've had just to cinch in the waist. So this one's really, really good. It does the job, so I'm pretty satisfied. Yeah, this is very nice. The quality is really good. As usual, I will be linking the available items from this haul, by the way. So yeah, the length is pretty adequate and it's adjustable, so it could fit probably most people. So yeah. Moving on to my next item, I actually got a pair of shorts. These are the high-waisted shorts. I still have the tag on it. This one is in the size large. What I really, really like about this is that the back part is stretchy, but in the front, it looks like a normal pair of shorts. I also like how it's cuffed, and also it's very high-waisted. I was very surprised to actually get this like in a high-waisted version. In the picture, it looks oversized, but in real life, it just like looks just right. I was kind of hoping for it to look like this anyway, and the quality is really good. It kind of reminds me of like the Divisoria shorts that there are. So far, no complaints. I haven't really looked at it too much. As usual, like yesstyle clothes usually have like extra thread lying around, but honestly you could just cut that out and you're okay. So yeah, but overall this pair of shorts are pretty good, decent quality, I guess. So yeah, now we move on to the items that I wasn't too happy about because of its quality and or size. So let's hop right in. The first thing that I actually liked and disliked at the same time was this white flowy tiered dress. I have been seeing this piece for so long and I've been eyeing it for so long. As you all know, I've been really liking like maxi or midi dresses, and this one was right up my alley. In the picture it looked really nice and it does look pretty, but my only issue is that of this guy, the garter in between the top and the bottom. I really like how this looks on me, but my issue is how constraining the arms are, like in the bottom part. If I raise my arms like this, I would take up the whole dress up to like here. It's like kind of risky. I was thinking of wearing this to my graduation, which by the way, I don't even know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I was kind of upset when that happened. So I'm kind of thinking of selling or returning this item because this garter is bothering me so much. If I got the longer version, I probably would have still kept it, but since this is the shorter version because that was the only one they had, I don't know. So overall, I don't know how to feel about this. So if you ever see it on my Depop, that is the reason. Moving on, I have one random item that I bought because I had like coupons for $10 off, and I just decided to buy this just because. It's this mask thing. I'm not even gonna try it on for you guys. It looks like this. It basically slims your chin to make you have a V line. I don't know if I'm keeping it because honestly, like, it's pretty interesting, but it's kind of useless when you think about it. I'm still like unsure if I like it or not because I don't know if it works. I don't know if I'm keeping this. A lot of these things I'm just like not sure if I should keep them or not. So yeah. Moving on to our second to the last item. It is actually this black ruched crop top. I was really into it when I saw it online because it looked really good on the girl. What I'm upset about is how they made this. There's a lot of like extra fabric. It's not even thread, so if I cut it off, I could possibly like destroy the piece. Plus like the quality is really like flimsy, I guess. I can't tell if it's the fabric that they use or like how they sewed it on, but I'm not really happy about it. Also, it was supposed to be a puff sleeve, but when I wore it, it just looks like a normal shirt. And also it was like kind of tight, so there's no puff like that. I've been really into puff sleeves, and I was hoping for this one to be puff sleeve, but it's not. So finally, the last item. This one is actually the one that made me saddest. I was waiting for this for so long, and so I bought it, and it's this plaid mini skirt, and it doesn't fit me. Just to share with you guys, I actually am a size 8 in US sizes. That's like 28 to 30 inches, and this was a medium. I was aware that Asian sizes in general are like quite small. I was hoping that this would be stretchy enough for me to fit in, but I was wrong. This guy actually has built-in shorts on it, which I like find quite interesting, but I saw a lot of the people who were taking pictures were actually like skinnier girls, so I was quite like expecting this to happen. I just didn't know, or I was still hoping that I would still fit it. It couldn't close. There's like a zipper in the back and I couldn't zip it up, and so I just gotta return it or like sell it. I feel like I'll try to sell this on Depop because really there's no issues on it, but the size. So I'm quite upset about the size. So that is it for today's haul. I feel like to redeem myself, I will go on another shopping spree since I might just return the ones that I'm not too happy about and just buy something else because they usually give it as yesstyle credit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me talk about clothing as usual. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye! And you're gonna be happy. And you're gonna be happy. It's all around. It's all brand new.